Hi, welcome to Blind Owl Outdoors.
Here's Pastor Joel. He's gonna sing for us Tribo. That's the title of the song. I hope guys you like it.
Magasimba dihatani O Diyos, kaming tanan magadaig dihatani mo O Diyos, kakabukiran man o kapatagan ka sa tanang ninalang ang tanang tribo magadaig diha kanimo ang tanang dila magasugid nga ikaw si Jesus ang tanang lumat magaluhod sa imong kahalando O Diyos sa katribuhan kanasuran simbahon ka sa walay katapusan kaming tanan magasimba magadaig diha kanimo O Diyos, kakabukiran man o kapatagan simbahon ka sa tanang ninalang ang tanang tribo magadaig diha kanimo ang tanang dila magasugid nga ikaw si Jesus ang tanang lumat magaluhod sa imong kahalando O Diyos sa katribuhan kanasuran simbahon ka sa walay katapusan simbahon ka sa walay katapusan para to
That's Pastor Joel's voice. He's a very good guitarist also, and his wife is a worship leader to their church, and we're asking a favor for you guys and help pray for Pastor to accomplish his dream to finish his church.
tumpunan ka to kasaligan
Ikaw. And please pray for us that God will supply all the materials and all the stuff that he need for the church and for his parsonage. So he's gonna sing another song together with his wife Annalie.
kami na ha kasaligan na to dire tapa na
Hindi ka mabuli ko. Ano ibutan?
Dire sampa.
Adto dai.
Dire inday. Dire day.
And then gonna sing another song for everybody. I hope you will enjoy it. watching, and I really like them because they're very hardworking pastor, and they're like they're just like our family. It's part of my family, and that's his son.
Walay kahaluan. Kayang saan mo Ginoo magauban ka karunong sa
That's one of
walay
my favorite songs. When I hear that tears in my eyes,
anak ka
the song, the lyrics said that God is always with us, even in the troubles and difficult times. God is always there for us, and we can trust Him.
Kasaligan pili ka mabunggan kay Diyos ka nga gamanan
God is our strong tower.
kanunay kang naasa bisan asan napita
God is always there for us wherever we go.
kay kanak kumagauban
God is with us always.
Diyos nga
You're
kasaligan
God.
Masakit.
You can trust God. You're the
Walay
trusted God.
kahaton kabalakan
He did not
kayang saan mo Ginoo
afraid,
magauban ka
because God promised us that
karunong
He's
sa
always with us
walay katapusan
now and forever.
walay magkulang ka na anak ka
Have nothing.
sa kagitgit man o Diyos kahayag
Even in the darkness,
agianan ko gitanagan mo
my path is your light and our path.
kasaligan pili ka mabugan kay Diyos ka nga gamanan kanunay kang na sa bisan asang napitan kay ka na kumagauban ka Diyos nga kasaligan kasaligan nung hiling ka mabugan kay Diyos ka nagamanan kanunay kang nasa bisan asan napitan kay ka na kumagauban Diyos nga kasaligan sakto makato.
Sakto kayo. Thanks for watching, guys. And Shannon have something to show me. What's that?
I don't know.
That's a shell, but there's something on it.
It says it has like a flower on
I
it.
know what happened to your nail. Why that's full of a star lagi ta. Your nail is full of dirt. Oh,
Wait.
from the
Nice.
sand.
Aring tao na.
Apa